Pretty cool. Hey, welcome back guys to another video review here on techgooch. This is the S1WM mount for the Sonos One speaker by Flexson. Sonos One is a little bit different than the Play One in that it doesn't actually have a mounting screw point or mounting point on the back of the speaker. So why this box is so big is that this one actually cups the bottom of the speaker and holds onto it, and then kind of holds onto the top so it can't fall out. It's pretty cool. I do have a setup video where I go through the setup of the entire item on my GeekSmart channel. I will put a link in the description, so if you want to watch the setup of this guy, down below. And that's where you can actually see more in-depth on the actual piece as it comes together. We're actually going to switch off here in just a moment up to where I have the speaker mounted so you can take a peek at what it looks like on the wall. But I did want to say thanks to Flexson for sending this to me to show you guys, because it's a pretty cool product and it does very, very well. So let's head upstairs real quick. I'll show you the speaker and then we'll finish up. So this is what it looks like when it's on the wall. I actually have the screw on the back loosened up so I can tilt it a little bit. But right now this is the max tilt, and then this would be kind of 0 degree. You don't have as much side-to-side motion because I am in the corner, and I do like to keep it at its max tilt regardless in this specific situation because I am so high up. If I lift up the speaker, I can remove it, and you can see I have this mounted on, at least on this wall. It doesn't matter which wall I'd have it on. You just want to make sure that it's mounted into a stud or into a solid surface like concrete or something. This is the piece on the back that does allow the tilt. And then if you didn't want it at full max tilt, you can set it at any angle, and then you just tighten the screw up. So I'm going to tighten the screw back up at max tilt. And there we go. And that gives it a little bit less movement on it. And then I can just slide it back into the holder that's up here. And that's it. Now I currently do not have any power plug or anything set up specifically for this. I just have the wire hanging down and plugging in behind the refrigerator. However, if this is where I'm planning on keeping it, and I'll yet decide that, I'm probably going to put power up here somehow. Maybe directly in the ceiling or maybe behind it somehow. We'll see when I get to that point. But that's how we have it. Now, the other thing is, with this being the Sonos One, the microphone array on top, you want to be able to hear it. And that's why I mounted it where I did. It's not right against the ceiling. It's down a little bit. However, what I found is actually, because of where it is, you get this kind of echoey effect, I think, with your voice bouncing off the ceiling and heading right into the microphone. So it works very well, spot on, without any kind of yelling or anything like that. Now, typically it works pretty good anyway, but it works really good. Let's back up a little bit and try it out. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:49 p.m.
So she works good in normal voice. So that is the Sonos One mount from Flexson. This is obviously in the black. They do have it in both colors, the white as well. And it looks really good. It holds the speaker really well. And it works really well. I have nothing but great things to say about it. When I first got it, I was how well it's going to actually hold. It actually holds great. You cannot just yank the speaker out. So even with this 15-degree tilt, it works fantastic. Now, if you're on a flat surface, maybe you might want to see, can I get any more? But really, it maximizes based at the tilt. If you were to tilt it down, this is maximum amount of side to side. So 40 degrees total swing side to side. So 40 degrees to the left, 40 degrees to the right. So 80 degrees, I guess, technically, of total actual swing on it. And 15-degree angle is what you can do with this. So works really well, even in my case in the corner in the kitchen. Spot on. Awesome job. And I highly recommend checking it out. Now, I will put a link down in the description where you can check this out, as well as to the link to the setup video. If you have any questions or comments, post those below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it if you can. If that's not enough, well, we'll have more coming soon. So thanks for Flexson for sending this over to me, and we'll catch you on our future review. See you soon.